Hi, Steve here, your friendly neighborhood carpet repair guy. Let me tell you a little bit about carpet seam repair. So if you're in the neighborhood of San Francisco, anywhere within the territory, we could help you with your carpet seams. First, I want to talk about why carpet seams seem to just disintegrate. Well, that's often because when the original installer put the carpet down, when he installed the carpet, when he was about to do the seams and use the seam iron to fix them together, he didn't seal them properly to begin with. So the carpet wasn't seamed properly, and now it's just coming apart. So the way we fix that in most cases is we use a special technique to take the seams apart. They don't just come apart like unzipping a sleeping bag or something. It takes a little bit of work. We take the seams apart, we remove the seam tape, we put down new seam tape. We might have to straight edge on both sides of that seam the carpet back together. Sometimes it's quite difficult, but then most oftentimes it looks better than what we started with, and it's not going to come apart again. We back up our work forever with a 100% unlimited, unconditional, lifetime labor guarantee. So call the office, we'll give you an idea how much it's going to cost. We'll come out and give you a bid in writing, and then if you feel the price is fair, we'll do it all right then, all in one trip. One last thing I want to say about carpet seam repair. Sometimes, and you don't have to pay for it if this is the case for you, but sometimes it's a little disappointing when we take apart a seam and we put it back together, we try to fix it. It doesn't always come out as nice as we'd all like it to. So we'll know better when we actually see it, and we'll be honest with you at that time, give you proper expectations before we get involved with it, and then back it up with the unlimited, unconditional, lifetime labor guarantee. So again, Steve Gordon here, your friendly neighborhood carpet repair guy, and I look forward to hearing from you soon, so give me a call. Bye-bye.